Have you ever felt like your vacation rental is a small fish in an ever-expanding sea of Airbnbs, B&Bs, and posh resorts? Let's dive deep into making your property the Nemo everyone's looking for. Welcome to the Vacation Rental Resolutions Podcast. I am your host, Jerry McPherson. Whether you're a seasoned vacation rental pro or just dipping your toes into the world of hosting, you're in the right place. Each week, we'll uncover the secrets to creating unforgettable guest experiences, maximizing your revenue, and making your rental journey smoother than a freshly made bed. Make sure to subscribe and ring the bell so you don't miss out on a ton of great info. Competition in the vacation rental world. Oh boy, it's more crowded than a family reunion at a free buffet. From swanky hotels to Bob's B&B down the lane, standing up feels like trying to hog the spotlight at a rock concert. So how do we turn your place into the main act? You need a unique stay vibe. Think about this. If you're at the beach, maybe a surfboard-shaped coffee table. Mountain retreat? Bring in the log cabin vibes. And for the love of all things vacation, if you got the space, throw in a hot tub. People love bubbles. How about your rental's personal paparazzi moment? That killer online profile with drool-worthy photos. Goal. Spread your fame on Airbnb, Vrbo, and don't forget to flaunt on social media. And hey, when your guests post that sunset balcony selfie, make sure they tag you. Free publicity, anyone? Stay with me and I'll share more ways to shine right after a word from our sponsor. Hey there, vacation rental aficionados. Ever dreamt of turning that charming space of yours into a must-book getaway? Or looking to up your rental game? Say no more. Vacation Ventures, turning property into profitable rentals. Course, your 10-module crash course with 47 lessons ready to supercharge your property dreams. From engaging videos, on-the-move MP3s, to handy PDF guides, we've got all the tools to make your listing the star of the show. Dream big. Rent bigger. The perfect getaway could be yours to offer. Be ready to stand out in the vacation rental world. Click and roll, and let's make some vacation magic together. Honesty is the best policy. Be crystal clear about prices. Nobody likes those sneaky hidden fees, right? And in that ever-chaotic world we live in, a sprinkle of flexibility in your booking policies. That's like offering free cookies. Be the perfect host. Slide into those DMs swiftly, and I mean reply to your guest's query ASAP. And sprinkle a bit of magic with those personal touches. Maybe a basket of local goodies, or perhaps a handwritten note that says, "Thank you for choosing my property." Keep it fresh. After your guests bid adieu, get the feedback. It's like your report card, but without the scary math grades. Stay updated in the latest trends, whether it's a voice-controlled assistant or planting more greens. And remember, keep an eye on your competitors. That's not being nosy. It's called market research. Make sure you always have that ace up your sleeve and remain on top of your guest travel wish list. And now, if you're craving more juicy tidbits about how to elevate your property to celeb status, I've got just the thing. Grab your free download. Unlock the full potential of your property. Top 25 secrets for vacation rental success. Links in the description. Get it, and let's make your property the hottest ticket in town. I'm curious, how does your property stand out? Let me know. In our next episode, I will talk about your property's safety and security. And that wraps another episode of Vacation Rental Resolutions Podcast. Remember, every successful host started with a dream, just like yours. Stay inspired, keep learning, and let's make your vacation rentals shine brighter than ever. Join us again next week for more gems. Until then, happy hosting. The Vacation Rental Resolutions podcast is part of the Keystone HPD network.